Hey guys, Sammy here. We're gonna be making chocolate waffles today using the XTEND ISO Whey protein. We've got the chocolate lava cake flavor. It's gonna be perfect for these morning waffles. To our dry ingredient bowl, we have 2/3 of a cup of our all-purpose flour. We've got 1/3 of a cup of our XTEND whey protein, 1/4 of a cup of our cocoa powder, 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, our baking powder, baking soda, and salt. All right, dry ingredients are good to go. Next thing we're gonna do for this recipe is we're gonna separate our egg yolks from our egg whites, and we're gonna whip up our egg whites to make our waffles nice and fluffy. All right, so to whip our egg whites, we're gonna use an electric mixer. This is gonna take 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. All right, nice and fluffy, this is what we're looking for. All right, we've got our dry ingredients ready, we've got our egg whites whipped, and now we're gonna put our wet ingredients together. So we've got our egg yolks, we're gonna do a cup of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and a little bit of vanilla. All right, so we've got our egg and buttermilk oil mixture mixed into our dry ingredients. We're now gonna take our egg whites, and in 2 batches, we're gonna fold in the egg whites. We whipped these up to give them some air. So what we wanna do is do it in 2 batches to ensure that we don't deflate the eggs that we've whipped. We're going rogue and we're adding a little extra treat to our waffles this morning. So we've got a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips, because why not? All right, I'm gonna use a little bit of this coconut oil cooking spray just to ensure that my waffles don't stick to the pan. Nothing like, ooh, they look so good. This stuff has been great to cook with. The consistency of the waffles are coming out super fluffy, a great chocolatey smell. I'm excited to try them. Don't be afraid about cooking with whey protein. Do a little bit of research and understand that you're adding in an additional dry ingredient. So you might have to take some other dry ingredients out to balance it out, but super excited to give these a try.
Wasn't expecting chocolate. That's good.